We are going to review top 5 best drawing tablets. Let's get started. List number 1. XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro. There are a few slight tweaks that make the XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro slightly more user-friendly than the cheaper Artist 15.6. For starters, the touch bar was replaced with a red touch dial that provides more accuracy and control with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 1080p resolution packed into its 15.6-inch screen. The display is also improved upon with a 178-degree viewing angle. Furthermore, the Pro supports up to 60-degree angling with the stylus for more hands-on control and less adjusting your software for the right brush strokes. And if you manage to find it on sale, it won't cost much more than the standard Artist 15.6. List number 2. Wacom Intuos Pro L Drawing Tablet. If you want the premium feel of a Wacom product, but don't quite want to plunk down on a pen display, the Wacom Intuos Pro L is the next best drawing tablet you can get your hands on. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and multi-touch capabilities, the spacious 12.1 by 8.4-inch workspace on this tablet will have you creating masterpieces in no time. While it may not have a built-in display, it is wireless, so you don't have to worry about annoying cables, and it comes with the Wacom Pro Pen 2, which is the industry standard when it comes to digital drawing instruments. List number 3. Wacom PD1560 Drawing Tablet. If you're looking to step up your drawing tablet game without breaking the bank, go for this Wacom PD1560. It has an onboard HD monitor, 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and a large 15.6-inch workspace. The device also features an adjustable arm stand for the perfect angle, making it highly ergonomic. It's great for professionals, but if digital art is a just hobby, then this is still a serious upgrade. This is also one of the best drawing tablets for students thanks to its user-friendly features and affordable price. Finally, left-handed users can access lefty mode so they're not left out of the fun. List number 4. Galaxy Tab S7. While you might not get the pressure sensitivity from a tablet like the Galaxy Tab S7 as you would, say, the XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro, the Tab S7 does allow you to draw and create using the illustration software of your choice, but also provides the extras of one of the best tablets available. Sticking with its creative strengths, the S Pen not only allows you to draw, but you can also remotely snap pictures and control movies. And when you're done, it magnetically snaps to the side of your tablet to charge. List number 5. Wacom Intuos S Drawing Tablet. With a dot grid to help beginners draw straight lines and keep things to scale, along with a textured surface that feels like pen to paper, the Wacom Intuos S is a great choice for entry-level graphic designers. The 6 by 3.7-inch drawing surface provides 4,096 levels of pressure, which is plenty for a beginner to have complete control, but not overly sensitive to become overwhelming. It comes with Corel Aftershock and Corel Painter Essentials 6 so beginning artists can get right to work.